Hello everyone, this is TeamTheta. We are the winners of Acumatica Hackathon 2020, which was held in Las Vegas, Cosmopolitan on January 25th and 26th. So let's jump into this overview of what we built at the hackathon. There's a problem out there which we wanted to solve. So the problem being most of the companies and organizations use online meetings such as GoToMeeting, Start Meeting, or Zoom or any other meetings that you might use. So your sales team has numerous meetings. At the end of the meeting, they may forget to create a CRM task or update activities, and there is manual data entry. Maybe there is opportunity lost, or there could be customer satisfaction being low. So people may tend to forget this, and we don't want to have that missed opportunities. There's also no analysis of the call conversations. Maybe the sales guy promised 50% discount, or maybe not. So we don't know what happened once the meeting is over. So there's a lot of information being missed out. So we want to kind of solve that problem and unlock the knowledge buried inside conversation. So TeamTheta, which came up with a solution called Ask Fred, which is an AI assistant who takes your communication to the next level. TeamTheta comprises of Yuri from OFSI, Harsha from InfoSourcing, Yuri from Kenzium, Spencer from Advantage Fitness, Soeb from Malani Enterprise, and Dhiren, our Acumatica subject matter expert. Together, we set out to build Ask Fred for the hackathon project. So, Ask Fred is an AI assistant which interacts with Acumatica. We used Fireflies integration. So again, Fireflies is a service provided which lets you record and transcribe and collaborate such meetings. So we use their services and take the transcript that is converted from voice to text and bring it down to Acumatica and integrate that into Acumatica, right? So we create a CRM task and activity inside of Acumatica. So what Fred does is it sits on your meetings. You can invite Fred by emailing him or giving him access to your calendar. So he joins the meeting, records all your meetings, and transcribe that into text. So once that's done, then Ask Fred, which is our AI assistant, which sits in Acumatica, goes ahead and pulls down those transcriptions and creates a CRM activity automatically for you. So we didn't stop right there. Just for this hackathon, we said, you know what, we want to do a little bit of machine learning. So we went ahead and integrated with ML.net, an open source cross-platform machine learning framework. And just for this hackathon project, we attempted to identify all the questions that were asked in the meetings and create another activity called meeting questions. So that way, you can quickly go and look at the questions that were asked, and probably it helps you to kind of answer them at a later point, or at least understand how you answered them. You can take this same framework and extend it to sentiment analysis, price prediction, or fraud detection. You could also use it for support cases, right? So with that said, let's jump into the demo and take a look at how we built this within Acumatica. All right. First, what you're going to do is you got to create an account with Fireflies. Make sure to go ahead and create a new login. You have the ability to use your Gmail or the Google account, or you can use your Outlook account. Once you have created that account, then you get access to let me just go here. Then you get access to Fireflies dashboard. So once you have access to Firefly dashboard, you can actually send an email to Fred at Fireflies.ai and invite Fred to join the call, or you can give access to the meetings itself so that Fred can join at the required time, or you can also upload pre-recorded audio files that gets converted from voice to text. So once you have that, We did few meetings over here for testing purposes. So we invited Fred to join the call, and he was able to record and transcribe this into the text. So once we have that, we built Acumatica customization package, and we were able to deploy that on our instance. So as part of the demo, we were able to demonstrate that we have some of the meetings that were pulled in from Fireflies, and then recorded as a CRM activity. So I'm going to click on Ask Fred here, who's a contact in Acumatica. And then as you can see, under the activities, you would see the sales meeting that we just had, and the entire transcription that was converted from voice to text. So it was automatically created in Acumatica. And the way we do that was, first we were supposed to go in and create a customization package, and we deployed this on our instance. And this is the piece of code that we wrote during the hackathon event. Once it's published, then you get access to the configuration screens. So right here is Ask Fred, Fireflies integration. So you get access to a configuration screen where you can configure your API key and authentication key. Once you have that, then you have a processing screen which we built in, which connects using the APIs and pulls down all the meetings that are there on Firefly's dashboard. So once we bring down this information, we can then process the ones that we want to do it within Acumatica, which then automatically creates a contact and also creates an activity for the contact in the system. So we can also take this to the next level using the machine learning. We were able to create not only just the entire transcription from Fireflies, but also analyze that and create specific questions that were asked during this meeting. So that's something that we were able to present and demonstrate at the event. So we were thankful to the team for putting together, and ultimately the judges liked what we integrated within the time frame. Also, say again, Ask Fred could be extended to your not only sales automation, but also support, process automation, internal meetings, or any online conversation, right? So you can really extend this out there. This project is going to be uploaded to GitHub, so definitely follow on GitHub and download the package, and you can take it forward and extend this to your business needs. So if you're gonna have any online meetings, make sure to ask Fred. That's it. Thanks a lot from Team Theta. Bye-bye.